I think if you're a memoir writer or even a fiction writer, your best bet is to join a writing workshop. Find a group of people who are writing books that are somewhat similar to yours, and just make the commitment and go to these writing workshops, or find a seminar and go to, an author seminar or a writer seminar, and then try and find people there who are maybe local to you or who you can communicate with via email or social media, and try to build out your beta readers from there, because writing workshops that's the best place to get a beta reader. Those people are, those writers they want the same things you do. They just want your book to be beautiful and sound nice, and they want their book to sound nice and be beautiful. So it's a really great community, I think, for a lot of memoir and fiction writers, and that's I don't think there's anything better than that. I think that Facebook is still a great tool for many writers. I think that Twitter can be a great tool for some authors. And I do think that Goodreads is a great community. Both Goodreads and Facebook have the option where you can join groups, and you can look for very specific groups. So if you're a historical fiction romance writers, centered, and your novels are all centered in the 50s, you can find groups of people, groups of readers and writers, both on Facebook and Goodreads, and you can join these groups and see what those people are saying, and you can reach out to them and ask them if they want to be a beta reader, ask them if they're interested in reading your latest manuscript and giving feedback to you, and you can also use that as a way to tailor your book that might be coming out soon. Because if you are on this Facebook group or this Goodreads group and you see people are all commenting and posting about the same type of book, or they're commenting how much they love the cover of one particular book, you could use that to your advantage, and that tells you right there what your readers are looking for. So you can, edit your cover or use similar colors or similar imagery on your cover, because you now know that that's what your readers are looking for.